Hi everyone, welcome to my Shoreline Studio. I'm Sybille Muschik. We're going to start on a new little journey. We're going to be doing something called Snippets. And it's just going to be little bits of pieces of things that I keep promising that I want to do. I'm always saying that you could put some line work or do something else with it. So now we're going to be trying to do some of that. Come and join me for these little snippets. This is what I'm doing in the studio today. I decided to use my old business cards. The government changed my address on me, so they're no good anymore. And probably need to get them reprinted anyway. This is my little logo. So we need a fair amount of paint coverage to cover that up. So I start with an opaque color. And I've got my Abstract Sennelier paint here. Isn't this a nice container? So we're just going to squeeze some out here. And then maybe add a bit of color to it, just for interest. Make it a little fluorescent. We're just going to go really extreme here. All right. And then just roll it out. I'm not even going to clean my brayer because whatever's on the brayer will be used for the next group of cards. And as you can see, I've already started printing a few. And just roll it around quick so that there's good coverage and there's no blobs on this 8x10 gel plate. The paint is on here fairly thick. It doesn't matter because I print these cards multiple times. Just a little spot here that we need to get rid of. And so as I said, I'm just going to leave that. So we're just going to gang print these guys. Put them all down. I do all sorts of stuff with it. Sometimes I add a little bit of water and then the paint breaks up. Some of these already have one coat on. So just press it down, take it off. Once I get good coverage, then I can start using stencils and stuff, mark making. That's why these are so much fun. So if you have old business cards around from businesses that have long expired and you don't know what to do with all these cards, so rather than throwing them out, do some printmaking on there. That'd be awesome. So enough paint to go for another layer here. Maybe I'll add a little bit more fluorescent orange just to make it really extreme. The stranger stuff you put on here, the better it is, because that's what makes them so much fun. Ooh. All right, so now we start messing around. We just start pushing some stuff on there. This is an old plastic doily. How about some letters? And I've got it upside down so when it prints it's the right way. I have my own texture plate. The circles. I discovered this thing in the dollar store. It's so cute. And just adds a little bit more. Okay, so again, laying out all your cards. I don't even pay much attention to what's on the front. Eventually I'll look at it and see, oh, this is really interesting, and work with that a little bit more. But right now it's at a point where you just print layers and layers and layers. And because I had some darks underneath some of this, see, look at that, that's gorgeous. So once you're happy with it, you can quit. And as long as it still needs work, keep printing another layer. And that's all there is to it. And we can maybe pick up a little bit here, a little bit more there. As long as you have paint, you can just keep dabbing it on there. And you can, if there's too much on one card, just take it off with another. After a while, they start becoming really interesting. I don't know if you need to use analogous colors. I have done for the most part, but it's all good. As you can see, I finished off the little cards. I punched a hole in the top and then added a little bit of ribbon. So that's our snippet for today. Join us again here at Shoreline Studio for another snippet or a full session. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.